What's up, everybody? JC News Now. Look what we got right here.
What are you doing?
You're parked in a fire lane.
That's what fire lanes are for, is for police. You have any other problems?
You ain't got your emergency lights on.
Right.
What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number, sir? You see this pump? 28. What's this pump? See what he's doing. Turn your emergency lights on if you're going to be in a fire lane. You think you're above the law? You got to follow the rules too, sir. Parking in a fire lane. See if we can get his name. That is look here. Fire lane, not police lane. Who do you think you are? $28. We'll do a records request on this pump.
Alright, Jim. Right now, we are in the middle of an active investigation. I cannot be distracted by you right now. It's not safe for me.
Well, you're not parked correctly, sir.
I don't really care.
I know you don't. That's the problem. That badge don't.
You see this fire lane red thing? You
Yep.
should go read statutes. This is for emergency vehicles.
If you got your lights on.
Okay, sorry I forgot to turn my lights on. Do you have any other issues?
Just if you're going to park, man, park correctly. No.
I can't force you,
You
but I'm
can't.
asking you nicely because I kind of have things to do, and I can't sit here and be distracted by you.
All right. Well, your ADD is not my problem. Just do your job.
Well,
Did you hear that? Let's go see if he's solicited a trespass. I'm sure he's going in there to do it right now. Look, this one's beat up. Bet we'd get a ticket if we parked in a fire lane. 28. I bet we'd get a ticket if we parked in a fire lane.
Ah, that's true.
Yeah.
So this is like private property for.
Did you solicit a trespass?
For
You did, didn't you?
shoppers, so
I need to go buy something.
no, like you have to leave the property.
Really, I'm being trespassed?
Yeah.
You solicited a trespass?
I didn't solicit nothing.
You didn't ask him? Did he ask you to trespass me?
Well, you're kind of interfering with what they're doing, so can you leave?
Yes, sir, I sure will.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna put paper on you, bud. Turn your lights on if you're gonna park in a fire lane.
All right.
You're not exempt from the law because you got a badge on.
Sergeant, then we can talk.
Close your mouth. All right. Got trespassed. Thank you. I saw that coming. Solicited a trespass. All right, I'm gonna put paper on you, buddy.